If you're looking for a townhome in North Vancouver's Lower Lonsdale, I've got the one for you. Here we've got location, space, and value. Come check it out.
As long as stars shine from above.
We're in Lower Lonsdale, just steps from the park in central Lonsdale and everything the North Shore is well known for with the mountains. Heading south, you're right by to the SEABUS and Lonsdale Quay. When it comes to size, we've got over 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an attached garage. Value-wise, lots of great upgrades made here. You've got newer flooring as well as 2 renovated bathrooms.
You're the one I'm in need of. I'm a captive to your love.
With 1 of 3 outdoor patio spaces just like this, you'll never know you're in Lower Lonsdale. I'm Elliot Chun at the Partners. Reach out with any questions.